पितृदेवताभ्यो नमः द्वादश पितृभ्यो नमः सर्वे कारुण्यपितृभ्यो नमः. The Mahalaya Paksha or Pitru Paksha is a fortnight exclusively meant for showing reverence, gratitude and devotion to our ancestors and forefathers. Rituals like Shraddha, Tilatarpanam, Pindapradhanam and Annadanam are performed during Mahalaya Paksha. Krishna Paksha or Bhadrapada Masa is generally referred as Mahalaya Paksha or Pitru Paksha as per Hindu Panchangam or Almanac. During this fortnight, people perform holy rituals of Mahalaya Shraddhas to pay back for Pitrunas, convey their respect and devotion to their deceased ancestors. When a person dies due to unbearable impact of sharp and heavy objects, poisoned weapons, or due to poisoning, it creates a tremendous force on the soul to exit the body, much against the wish and consent. In such cases, the soul becomes directionless and frustrated, wandering listlessly and finally assumes the form of a preta or ghost. Such ghost souls or pretatman will be seeking revenge against the culprits who have derailed the life journey halfway through. In many cases, the frustrated soul may use the surviving members as a tool or via media to avenge the injustice and thereby will end up causing great physical and psychological distress to his surviving family members. These ghost souls will further not be able to consume the food offered during the annual ceremony and continue to exist as a pretatman. Surviving family members will gradually start experiencing downfall, monetary loss, defamation, mysterious happenings, incurable recurring diseases, all due to the curse of the ghost soul, the Pretabada or Pretashapa. Vishashastra Hatadina Mahalaya Shraddha is a divine antidote prescribed in the religious texts to overcome all the above said ill effects. Performing Vishashastra Hatadina Mahalaya Shraddha at holy places like Gaya, Gokarna, Kashi, Varanasi, Matragaya, Rameshwaram, Srirangapatana, or on the banks of any holy rivers will amplify the benefits and give great positive results.